A landing page is not a website. In this video, I will show you exactly what it means landing page, what is a landing page, and why, if you have a business or if you want to make money online, you need to have a great landing page. I just want to start explaining to you what is a landing page. A landing page is a single page of a website, but it has a different goal because everybody knows websites with the home page, with the page about, with the contact page, maybe the page about services and all other stuff. But a landing page it's different, and the content and the goal of the page it's different from a normal website. And if in your website you explain everything about your company, everything about the service, maybe you get some offers or some other stuff, a landing page is something really specific that normally has just one main goal. And the goal of a landing page is to generate leads, generate people, generate sales, generate contact. And it's something stronger because if you drive the traffic to a website, a normal website, people will maybe just lose interest, people will find maybe the about section, they will maybe write you an email, they will maybe buy something, or they will just take a look. But by creating a landing page, you will create a funnel where you can take the person from the beginning to the end through some steps and get the results that you want. And normally a landing page it's always combined with some type of ads. It can be Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, or maybe offline ads. But when you do ads in your website and your goal is to generate sales, generate leads, generate people interested in your product or service, you need always to drive traffic to a landing page. And the main reason because you drive traffic to a landing page and not to a website is because the landing page had a stronger conversion rate. Because on the landing page you will just add the main simple information about your product and service, you will create an offer, and you will have everything like a funnel. You will really take the person from the ad, took the person to the landing page, and from the beginning to the end on the landing page, the attention of the person is always catched here and there. So, as I said before, this works like a funnel, like a squeeze. You need to have, for example, 1000 people that see your landing page, and for example, a 10 or 20% ratio is really good. For example, I've just started my ad, and right now I can say that I have about 10 to 20 people that have seen my landing page, but those are people very targeted, very specific, and right now just one of them has sent me a request. And as you can see, we always speak about numbers. 20 people see it, maybe 5 clicks, and just one contact. And by improving this number game and adding more traffic and more people at the top of the funnel, you will absolutely get a ton more of leads. But back to the landing page, you need to have a lot of call to action. A difference between a website and a landing page is that on the website you have all the information and the person can contact you only through the contact page or maybe just on the footer. But on the landing page you will have a ton of buttons, maybe different from them, that every button has the same goal: write you an email, buy the product, and at the end of the landing page you will have your offer. For example, in the landing page that I use to get clients for my social media marketing agency, I have pretty much a ton of buttons where they say, okay, I'm ready to take my company to the next level. I am ready to have a professional website. I am ready to grow my business. I want to expand my business online. And all those buttons, when you click them, they will simply bring you to the footer at the bottom of the page. And then there is the contact form where the clients need to add just a few information, a message, a name and a phone number, and I will call them and then get in touch with them. But just remember that if you have a landing page, you can have just one goal. You cannot put 20 products or 20 offers in one landing page. But it's better to create every single landing page for every single product or service and then drive different traffic to every single page. Because if you drive traffic maybe really too generic to the landing page, you will not have a really high conversion rate. But if you, for example, have a page a landing page where you sell something around soccer and you target soccer people on Facebook, Instagram and Google, you will have a lot of people that search for that topic and they are really interested. So maybe you will have 100 visits and then 10, 20 or even 50% of them will sign up because it's targeted traffic. But if you go too broad and maybe you don't add interest but you have something around soccer, maybe yes, you will have more views, you will have maybe 5 or 10,000 views, but you will just have 1 or 2 people that are really interested into your topic. And the most common goal that I see between landing page is to get simply a lead, generate a lead, have some information about a potential client, have the number, have the email, have maybe the address, have the name. The more information you have, the better it is, but the harder it is to get those information. For example, at the beginning I was not using a landing page, I was just using my website, and I've seen that a lot of people have sent me emails through my page, but then when I reply to them through email, they will not respond and I will pretty much lose the client. But right now on my landing page I have added a little space where the people need to add the phone number, and by doing this I can simply call them multiple times until they can speak with me, and I can be a little bit more pushy just by simply calling them, and by doing this you will really increase your conversion rate. So make sure that in every single landing page that you make, there is something where people can give you their information. Maybe through contact form, maybe through email, maybe just adding you on Instagram or on Facebook. But the main goal of a landing page is to get some data, get some people that are interested into your industry and into your product. Because if you will drive traffic to a landing page and you don't have a call to action, you don't have nothing to get the information of the people that goes there, you are wasting time and money. And there are a ton of ways on how you can create the perfect landing page for your business. Right now, I don't want to say you to use a specific strategy because depends everything on your business, but just make sure to add all the important information, use big text, use something really direct message. Don't use a ton of text, don't use maybe something that is not useful or something that is maybe just a little additional information. Just use the keywords, create a really good script, and then from there add a call to action pretty much in every section of your landing page. And if you don't know what to write inside your landing page, I advise you to read this book here, where you can find a ton of ideas on how you can create the right text, so when people see your text, your message, your what you want, they are really interested in what you're saying and they will be more likely to contact you and ask you more information. It's called How to Write Copy That Sells by Michael Hett. I will put the link on the description if you are interested. But make sure to create a really good content, because if you have a landing page and at the beginning you cannot catch the attention of the people, you will lose them and you will never get them back. But in the next minutes I will give you a lot of strategies and tips, tricks on how you can create the perfect landing page for your business. So the tip number 1 to create a great landing page is to include a video. Include a video like this one that I'm doing right now, where you explain your product. And the more expensive the product it is, the more longer should be the video. If you sell a $10 product, the video can be around 30 seconds or 1 minute. But if you sell maybe a product that it's around $1, $2, $3, $4, $10,000, you can do a video even up to an hour, because you need to explain all the details and all the information. In my first website I had a video, and a lot of people that went to my website, they always speak about the video, that they have seen me in the video, that they have seen my professionality, they have seen that I am serious, they have seen a lot of good things inside the video. The next step is to do something really big. Use big flat text, something that people really see easily, something that is really eye-catching even on mobile, because nowadays the majority of people are going on the internet through their phone and not through the computer. So make sure that your landing page is 100% responsive and it has a really good big fonts. The tip number 3 is to be really simple. Be simple, because if you write too much, if you add too many difficult or maybe too many advanced information, the person on the other side will not be interested because they are overwhelmed by all those information. But if you keep everything simple, everything, your service, what you do, maybe the common questions, maybe how it works, something about the industry, but keep that very simple, using simple and easy keywords, you will see that you will do a great job. And the tip number 4, I think that is the most important: add multiple call to action. On every section, every paragraph, everything, you need to add a call to action. So every time that a person gets a new piece of information inside your website, they are more likely to make a decision to contact you. And if they need to maybe waste 5 or 10 seconds just to find the button to contact you, you have wasted that client. But if you make sure to put buttons pretty much all over your website, you are sure 100% that when your potential clients are ready to buy, they can click easily one button, go to the footer at the bottom of the page, add the information, or maybe buy the product, or maybe contact you, or maybe call you, whatever you want, depends on your goal. But make sure to add a lot of call to action inside your website. So now that you know what is and how to create a good landing page, you need to drive traffic to your landing page. But sometimes traffic is expensive, especially if you go on Facebook or on Google. The best way is to drive free traffic to your website, to your landing page through Instagram. But in order to do that, you need to know exactly what type of content you need to post on your Instagram profile. Watch this next video right here where I show you exactly the 5 best types of content that you need to post on your Instagram page to grow your business. I see you there.